Welcome back to the channel Autoland 2025. Today we are going to talk about one of the most thrilling and powerful machines of the year, the Road Dominator. This name itself speaks about strength, class and dominance on the streets and highways. It is not just a bike, it is a symbol of power, style and futuristic engineering. The Road Dominator 2025 has been designed to capture the attention of every rider who dreams of speed, comfort and control. It is a perfect combination of modern technology and aggressive looks, making it stand out from the rest of the bikes available in the market. The Road Dominator comes with a muscular and bold design that instantly gives a sense of authority on the road. The sharp cuts, aerodynamic body and solid build make it a machine designed for both performance and durability. The 2025 model brings enhanced graphics, stylish LED lighting and a more futuristic display that connects the rider with modern technology. Its digital console offers advanced riding information, keeping you updated on performance, speed, fuel and ride modes. The wide fuel tank, strong chassis and comfortable seating arrangement show that this bike is made for long rides as well as for city traffic. When it comes to performance, the Road Dominator 2025 is all about unmatched power. The bike is expected to feature a high-performance engine that delivers raw strength with refined smoothness, making every ride exciting. Whether you are cruising on highways or taking sharp turns on city roads, the bike ensures stability, balance and control. The suspension setup is made to handle rough terrains as well as smooth roads, giving the rider confidence to ride in any condition. The braking system is upgraded with advanced disc brakes and ABS technology that ensures safety even at high speeds. The sound of the engine is also tuned to give a thrilling roar that adds to the personality of the bike. Comfort is another important factor that makes the Road Dominator a perfect choice for riders. The ergonomic seating position, wide handlebars and cushioned seats are designed to reduce fatigue during long rides. This makes the bike suitable for adventure lovers, touring enthusiasts and even daily commuters who want comfort with power. The road grip of its tires ensures confidence even in challenging weather conditions, making it an all-rounder choice for every kind of rider. In terms of technology, the 2025 Road Dominator does not disappoint. It offers smart connectivity features such as Bluetooth navigation, alerts and even rider assistance technology to improve the overall experience. The futuristic dashboard makes it feel like a next-generation machine built for riders who want both style and innovation. The lighting setup with LED DRLs, headlights and tail lamps gives a premium look while ensuring maximum visibility on the road. The Road Dominator 2025 is not just a motorcycle, it is a dream machine for bikers. It gives an emotional connection with every rev of its engine and every ride feels like an adventure waiting to happen. The aggressive stance, premium design and powerful heart make it a must-have for those who seek dominance on the road. Its fuel efficiency is balanced with performance, making it a practical option as well while still giving a thrilling riding experience. Every aspect of the Road Dominator shows that it is a bike made for leaders, not followers. It demands attention wherever it goes and ensures that the rider feels a sense of pride and excitement. It is more than just transport, it is a lifestyle statement for those who dare to live with speed and class. So if you are looking for a motorcycle that has power, comfort, technology and dominance in every sense, the Road Dominator 2025 is the perfect answer. It is a machine that will not only take you places but will also make every ride unforgettable. With its futuristic features and aggressive looks, it is all set to rule the roads and win the hearts of bikers across the world. This bike proves that the future of biking is here and it is bold, powerful and unstoppable. I see you in the next video.